Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog here at Loudmouth Motorsports. If you're new, hit subscribe, ring the bell, doing us some subscriber shout outs eventually here. But anyways, glad to have you aboard. So today what's going on is we're gonna be doing we're going to get the Lambo. Also, my hair is absolutely crazy right now. I have not done a thing with it because Elliot, myself, and my little brother Christopher were all getting our haircuts today by a lady named Casey. Super awesome barber. So you'll see us get the Lambo, get haircuts, and that's probably going to be all for the video for today. So thank you so much for joining. Hit subscribe, join the channel. Let's get this thing rolling. Real quick though, I wanted to give a very special shout out to all the subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, for watching our content, for placing those comments in there. We really appreciate all the comments, the haters, the supporters. There was one comment in there. I want to mention the 40,000. Elliot texted me, so I was reading that. Anyways, the $40,000 snap-on toolbox. So if you placed a hateful comment on there or a confused comment on there, you are absolutely right. The box itself is not worth $40,000. People like to see big figures. So I was like, I'm just gonna throw a random number in there because I know people have an interest to it. So thank you for viewing it. It's the most viewed video on our site right now. So thank you for subscribing. Thank you for viewing. After you get done with this video, go back. It's actually gonna be at the end of this one, so you'll just be able to click on it and watch Jackson give a tour of our $40,000 snap-on toolbox. Everyone, this is my lovely barber named Casey. I sent her a picture, 2 pictures at like 7 this morning. One was me wishfully thinking I had thicker hair. As you can see, I'm a blonde with like really fluffy thin hair. We're rating you later, so you better do a good job.
I don't know. What you rating me on?
Like how well you did the hair. Did she do a good job, or did she?
I mean, I don't know. You're the one who keeps coming back.
That's a good point. It's a good point.
So you want to do it there then?
Girl, you're the barber. You're the one who got a.
You're the one who said you wanted
a bird's eye view on my head.
You wanted to move it over or some crap.
Don't complicate this, Casey. Well, this is the before. Look at this. It's some ratchet stuff right here. Some ratchetness.
Does he try to do this at your shop?
Yes.
All the time.
Does he get away? Is he allowed?
I mean,
It's the McKelvins.
So, do they allow him?
Hey, 6 feet? That is not 6 feet. Back up, back up. Everybody back up. All right.
do you know him?
Yeah, it's court high.
He probably will let you go. No.
Oh, man.
Casey looked at me like, yeah, he does.
Maybe when we get a... Hey, Casey.
Here's a 20, and there's another 20. What one?
COVID-19, baby. She's still making money. She's essential. Hit her up. We got our boy Dominic back in the house. This is our window tinter here. He's doing a back windshield, looks like. What are you hitting this with, Dominic?
25.
25.
It's the most satisfying part right here, the press out. From the outside. Check it out from the outside.
Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, so it's the Bowley boys that are going to get the Lambo.
Boys.
We've all got our haircuts. Thank you, Casey.
Right.
Appreciate you.
Yeah. Check out this
Look
first
at
shot,
that. Look
boys.
at that. Oh yeah. Hold on. Let's get some pictures of that right there. Hold up.
Left the stash though. Gotta leave the stash.
Ooh.
Man, that looks better than it did before.
Yeah, I think it did.
Man, that was slick. This is what happens when you throw your money at your barber instead of giving it to her.